Good morning. Now I'll say some questions, sir. Explain the challenges posed by communalism to the Indian democracy. Communalism is a person attachment with the good of the community. Community a person guided by communalism may subordinate his reality of the nation or the nation or the society to the promotion of selfish interest of his community in the realm of politics. It has very sensitive impression associated with narrow, selfish, depressive, aggressive on the part of the religious group. India has a worst type of community. India has a worst type of community. Sikhism in Punjab, Sikhism in Punjab, the nation in Tamil Nadu, and caste conflict in Bihar and other northern state, and tribalism. This pose a great danger to unity and integrity of the nation. Communalism regions. When beliefs of one religion are presented as superior to those of other religious group. When the demands of one religious group are formed in opposition to another. This method of religions in the regions is policies is a communal politics. It's a communal politics. Hence, community pose a big challenge to the Indian democracy. Examining the role of caste in politics, there is a caste confidence and influence not only in the electoral politics but also in the formation of ministry. Political parties and candidates in elections. Candidates in election make appeal to caste. Make appeal to caste and pretend to get support, but elections are not all about caste. No parliamentary constitution in the country has a clear majority of one single caste. Every candidate needs to win the confidence and community to win the election. No party wins the votes of all the voters of one caste or community. Some voters have more than one candidate of his own, while many voters have no voters of his own. The political parties are put off the candidate from the same. Explain the role of Merapaivis in Manipur. The role of Merapaivis in Manipur are as follows. They plays an important role in restoration of law and order, peace in the conflict zone of Manipur. They opposed the Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958. They held the authority of the implication. They held the authority in the implication of dry state in order to republic the sale of the liquor. They fight against the social evil activities like adultery, formative divorce, abducting, kidnapping, etc. They can influence and participate in the decision as an agency of democracy at the grassroots level. They play an active role. They play an active role in kidnapping of children. Kidnapping of children by ACLO mid 2008 and the movement of the ILP in 2015.